Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? Oh my gosh. So first of all, I want to apologize because I literally just took my lipstick off because I really didn't want anything on my lips right now. As soon as I took my lipstick off, I was like, I didn't film an intro. I'm not gonna put on lipstick anymore because the lips are not the point of the look. It's this, what I have on my face right now. So first of all, hello guys, thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in a long time. I mean, I did post like a month ago or something, I don't even remember when, but first of all, that's so long. And second of all, I filmed that video like 2 years ago. Like, I haven't filmed a YouTube video in 2 years. I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty hard today. I was like, so I'm sorry if I seem a little weird. I want to get back on the swing of things. The only reason I wasn't posting was because my phone didn't have storage because I had like a really old phone, but now I have a new one, so I'm gonna be filming again. I'm really excited. And so for today I filmed this look from eddn'eddy. You know Rolf from eddn'eddy, the Ed boy. I don't know how to freaking do his accent.
Double the Ed boy, massage the squid. Halfway Ed boy, break the turnip.
But yeah, I came up with this eye look and then I struggled a lot with this. I think it came out really nice. So yeah, I'm really proud of it. I'm so glad to be making videos again. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I did this, then please just keep watching. Okay, bye. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the eyes first, and I'm gonna be using the James Charles palette right here. This palette is really good, and it comes with really nice colors. I'm sure you've seen it a million times. I don't have to show you it. So I'm gonna start off with like a blue color because I want to do like his hair. Here's a picture of him. And I want to do some blue like in the crease. So I'm gonna take this color first and I'm gonna put that into my crease. Oh my god, wait, I forgot. Back up. I'm gonna put tape on my eyes first. Jesus, I'm so freaking bad at this. I know this is really bad for you, but I gotta do it. Okay, now that I have tape on my eyes, now we can continue. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this color right here, this blue, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing. So now I'm going to take this darker blue right here, and I'm gonna put that in the outer V and into the crease more, you know, just deepen it out. I want the whole crease to be kind of this color because this is the true color of his hair. I haven't filmed a YouTube video in literally like almost 2 years, and that's because like I've just been going through a lot of changes. Like 2 years ago is so different than what my life is like right now, and I'm sure that's for like everybody, but like, wow, this looks really nice. Wow. Anyway, I'll make like an update like video, like update of my life, what's been going on, where do I live, all this stuff. I'm just deepening out the crease a little more. Okay, so after this, I'm gonna cut my crease with my Rare Beauty foundation. I'm gonna do like a half cut crease. I don't use concealer to cut my crease. I know a lot of people do, but I always use foundation. I don't know. Whatever, anyway. So now I'm gonna put this yellow color where I put the concealer, and that's gonna mimic his like shirt, because you know his shirt is yellow. Now that I have the yellow on my lid, I know it looks crazy right now, but don't worry, we're gonna fix it. So now to blend the yellow with the blue, I'm gonna grab this brush again and I'm gonna dip it into the darker blue again, this one right here. And I'm gonna pack that into my outer V and just like, you know, blend the colors in. I'm gonna go back and forth with both the yellow and the blue until they're all seamlessly blended together. Okay, blended them in. This is what it looks like so far. So now that I finished blending that, now I'm gonna add a wing liner, and I'm gonna add like a red wing liner because as you can see, he has like a red stripe on his shirt. So to do this red wing liner, I'm gonna use my ColourPop, the liquid liner in the shade Try Me. So I'm just gonna do a nice long wing with that. So this is with the wing liner. I still have to take it off. So I don't like this like really dark red. So I'm gonna try and fix that by like going over it with this red shade right here. And just like go over it and see if like that will make it a little brighter. Okay, now I'm gonna take the tape off. See how that looks? Now I'm taking this color right here and I'm just putting that on my brow bone. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my base makeup, and I'm not gonna film that because it's gonna take literally forever because I still have to freaking draw Rolf on my face. So I'm just gonna skip through that and I'll be right back. Okay, so thank you. Bye, see you soon. I'm back. So I put on my foundation, my concealer, my powder, and now I'm gonna finish up the eyes. So I'm gonna go in with this blue shade in right here, and I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line. And I'm also gonna put that in my waterline. I don't know if people have this thing where like they don't like it when people put eyeshadow on their waterline, like on their actual waterline. But I do it because I don't have colored eyeliners, and if I wanna have like a color in my waterline, I literally just grab eyeshadow and I put it directly in my waterline. I mean, it doesn't hurt me. I mean, it's never hurt me. It feels a little weird at first, but you get over it, then you don't feel anything. So I'm gonna grab that blue and I'm gonna put it on my waterline, like actually in there. I'm gonna grab that same blue in a tiny little brush like this. Oh, and I'm gonna run that on my lower lash line. Now I'm just gonna grab the same color that we put on our brow bone, and I'm just gonna put that in my inner corners. So I'm just gonna put on these lashes. And yeah. Oh my god, next month in my BoxyCharm, I'm getting glamnetic lashes. Like, you know, like the ones that are like magnetic. And I cannot wait because I suck at putting on lashes. Literally, I hate putting on lashes. It's literally the worst thing. I never put them on, but just because it's a YouTube video, I'm putting them on. Oh my gosh. How the f do I do this? Did I do it? I think I did it, kind of. I mean, they look wonky as hell right now, but like I said, I really suck at putting on lashes. I can't wait until I get my magnetic ones because literally, I suck at putting on lashes. I hate it. Like, how do people do this? So this is how the eyes turned out. Oh my god, my lashes. I'm so sorry. Oh my god, wait a second. Okay, imagine the lashes are like put on nicely. Like, okay, literally the only part that's put on wrong is the inner corners. I can never get that right. So imagine if this is like good. Imagine, right? These are nice, they're nice. So now comes the part that I have been dreading, and that is to actually draw this guy on my face. Now, I've tried to do it before. It's come out disgusting. But today, we are gonna really concentrate and try, and we're gonna get it right. I'm gonna start off with his eyes right here. I don't know why this isn't coloring. Okay, there we go. Okay, literally that's what I'm doing. I drew him. It does look like him. Don't even freaking lie to me right now. It looks like him. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is color him in. Now this is the fun part. I like coloring, so I'm literally just gonna go with the same eyeshadows that I used on my eyes. I'm gonna use it on him, and I'm just gonna color him in. So for example, I'm gonna start with his hair. So I'm gonna use this color. So I'm taking this brush right here, and I'm just dipping it into that blue shade. And I'm not going to worry about the black lines because I'm going to go over him after I color him in. Okay, that's his hair colored in. Whoa! That's real pretty. I'm gonna take this white shade and I'm gonna put that on his eyes. I'm gonna take these two shades here. This is from Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales, and I'm just gonna mix these two colors just like that and see if that does anything. Okay, he's a little orange, but I think it'll do. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab this yellow that we used on our lid and I'm gonna color his shirt in. Oh my god, this is so cute. Wait, I'm really starting to like it. I'm really starting to like it now. You see, guys, you have to trust the process. His head is a little big, but you get the idea. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the eyeliner that I used, the red one, and I'm gonna color in the red line. So now, are we done yet? Not yet. Now I'm gonna go over everything with the black eyeliner. Now wish me luck, because if I mess this up, I am gonna scream. But you know what? I think I'm gonna do this off camera because this video is already way too long. And like, do you really want to see me go over this? So I'll be right back, okay? Bye, see you soon. Wish me luck. I hope I don't mess this up. Okay, bye. Okay, I finished outlining him again. So now that I finished doing that, I am going to finish the rest of my makeup. I'm gonna do that off camera because this video has been too much. So yeah, I'll be back when the finished look is complete. And yeah, I'll be right back. So give me a second. Oh my god, look at my freaking hands, guys. Okay, I'm almost done. We're almost done here. Let's do this. Okay, I'll be back. Ready? And I finished the look. I finally finished. I started this when it was like daylight outside. It's literally nighttime. This is the finished look. I really tried my best. This is the eye look. I really like the eye look. I think it's really cute. If the lashes were on correctly, I would love it even more. As for Rolf, I really like him too. I think it came out as good as I could do him. I really wish I would have done him on this side because this is my good side. And this is like my, you know, if it was here, I could just like take the picture like this or something. I don't know, like what am I gonna do here? Like what do I have to like look for all of my pretty and all of my ugly too? So this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for bearing with me. If you're still here, if you watched all the way till the end, thank you so much. You're really appreciated. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. And yeah, thank you guys so much. I'm really proud of myself. I really didn't think I could do it, but I did. Could be better, of course, but I freaking did that. Look at him. Look at him. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.